It's raining. It's truly a rainforest. We are back. We are planning to go to the rainforest today.
Yunque.
Yunque. So we are going to the rainforest. Oh my gosh, I didn't get myself prepared well to go to the rainforest. I have my flip-flops on.
She's wearing flip-flops.
And I didn't got the appropriate clothes to wear. But they don't have everything that they needed to. But for some reason,
She wants to just go there and take pictures there, so we're just gonna stop by there.
I'm not a forest person and I don't really know, but my husband is like more into nature, vagabond as well. Mano, he doesn't care, we'll go anywhere. But for me, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. We'll go there and then we'll show you guys a little tour of El Yunque. El Yunque, okay. We made it to the rainforest, yay!
There.
So where are we going?
Up to the waterfalls and the paths and the hiking trails.
Yay! That could be fun. Let's do it.
Forest!
It's raining the forest. This is the rainforest, guys. So far we love it a lot. I did not have the appropriate outfits on or shoes, so we'll be just walking around and around. It's raining. Ah! It's pouring raining, guys. It's not even funny. So we're gonna go back in the car. It's raining. It's truly a rainforest. As you guys can see, beautiful, gorgeous out. We love it so far. Those my boys in the back. What are you guys doing?
We found the only dry spot.
That's funny. This is the main tower of the main forest. Check this out. And the only one forest. I mean the only one tower that is there. How pretty.
10 miles. Look, you can't see the Condado Plaza. You're right. Oh, never mind.
Okay.
Condominio. Look, you can see them.
Hi, baby
Yeah.
Manu.
Look, Manu wanna climb up. Hey, come on, Manu did it. Yay.
Good job, baby.
1, ready? We're gonna jump on 3. 1, 2, 3.
A little late, so we couldn't go all the way down to the waterfall. We still have the rainforest, as you guys can see, but we're gonna just go a little farther and then go back to the car because they're closing in probably like in 20 minutes, so we won't be able to do it.
Hey, Mr. B, wait for us. Come on.
Take a picture, one more. Everyone at different height. You turn around.
I can't even breathe right now. I'm so exhausted. We're gonna head up going to our hotel room. I need to catch up my breath. It was a really nice experience for us. My husband's in the backside with little Manu. And it's really pretty here. Beautiful, but I don't think that's for me. I had the flip-flops on, which is not a good shoes for hiking. And yeah, it's really, really pretty. Beautiful. Thank you, Krishna.